In this video, we are going to see about the new order type that Zerodha has introduced recently, which is called basket order. So we'll see what is a basket order, how to use it and when to use it, and how to create a basket order and execute all the stocks inside it. Basket order is a facility that is introduced by Zerodha to execute multiple orders at the same time. Suppose if you want to execute some 10 to 15 stocks at the same time, then you can use basket order. Now let us see how to use the basket order. First you need to create a basket, add the list of stocks that you are interested in, then you can save that basket in the Zerodha web kite itself. And if you are in the future, if you are interested to execute that basket, you can go and see the margin requirement and execute that particular basket, so that all the stocks inside the basket will get executed. Let's discuss about the margins. So whenever you create a basket, it will display the final margin and required margin at the bottom of the basket. So you don't have to worry about how much money you might require to execute all the stocks that you added in the basket. If you're executing an option strategy inside the basket order, it will compute the margin based on the buy and sell position that you added. So it is very important that you add the buy position first and then the sell position, so that you are eligible for the margin benefit. If you add it in the other way around, it will not give the margin benefit. So you always enter, if you are going to execute a bull call spread, first enter the buy and then go ahead with the sell, follow up with the sell. So that is how it needs to be loaded. You can add a maximum of 20 orders inside the basket, and you can create 20 baskets for a single client ID. So this is the condition. So once you see it with a live demo, you will get a clear understanding of how to create the basket and how to add these orders, number of orders inside it. Now let us see how to use this basket. So since we are allowed to create 20 baskets, you can go ahead and innovate and think and create a basket based on the sector, based on your favorite stocks, based on your custom screener, based on different sectors that we have, and identify the support and resistance level of the particular sector or index and decide whether to execute that basket at that time or not. Because if you take a bank basket, you can add all the bank stocks and you can watch the bank nifty whether it's at support or resistance, and we can decide whether to go short or long on that particular basket or particular stocks inside that basket. So once we see it with a live demo, you will get a clear understanding. So currently it is available in web at this point in time, because the video is being recorded on 25th August. If you are seeing it after few weeks on, it will be, there is a chance that it will be already available in mobile also. In Kite Zerodha, let's quickly see a basket order live demo. So go to orders at the top. So you have baskets here, you click basket, you have orders GTT basket. I'm going to click basket and you will create basket option is there. You go and create a basket, let's say IT basket. So I'm going to add some of the companies from IT sector. So you can create your own sector and basket. I will just go with Infosys first, Infi. So it will ask you like the normal order type, what you actually want to do. So you can basically save this order. Even if you click add, we are just adding, we are not actually going and buying it right now. So the buy will be at the last. Once we add all the stocks, you can at a whole execute the whole basket. So I'll just add it now. I've added the Infi and it shows how much quantity I've added, what is the margin requirement for intraday and final margin. If I add, I will add another one TCS. I will further add this. This is again intraday, and I will add Wipro also. So you can, like this, you can add maximum 20 stocks now. Suppose if I want to clone it, again I can click, it will add further one stock for the same. If you want to buy more quantity, you can keep cloning, or you can go ahead and edit the number of quantity that you want. Instead of 1, you can go and click 5 here, and if you want to delete this, you can go and delete this. You can edit it, you can clone, edit, delete. We've seen all this operation. So this includes existing position while computing margin. So that means if you already have some existing position, it will include that also. If you want, you can choose it, else you can leave it. Let's leave it. I don't want to include any existing position. So now I'm going to execute this. Still I can add 17 orders, but I'm not doing it. If you want, you can go and search and add. Just for a demo purpose, I'm showing this video. So it shows, are you sure, place all 3 orders in the basket. Go and click yes. So all these orders are executed and it will display in my positions and order. It's completed. You can see it in the order section. So you have Wipro TCS Infy. In the position also you can see Wipro TCS Infy is running the quantity. So this is how you have to create a basket order. Like this you can go and create other baskets also. If you want to create a new basket, you can do that. You can also, if you don't want this is a basket which I have already created, bank basket, where I have added a few more this thing. Now I am going to clone it. See this, if you want I can execute it. This is an already executed basket where you can open and clone this further, or you can click reset. It will just will be ready actually. So once you click the reset, again you don't have to keep adding these stocks. You can make a new out of these things. So this is how it is. So this is how about the basically the basket order. If you want to go and exit it, you can just choose like normal. You can select an exit 3 position. It will quickly exit it like this. So this is the basic demo of basket order. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. You can join the group if you want. Check the trading checklist at the bottom of this description. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.